It is grouping. Yeah, the 12's on the wrong side. We want a 0 over here, as per usual, so subtract the 12 over. Okay, yeah, when it's 3, 4 terms like this, it's probably a grouping problem, right? So you look at the front two, you look at the back two, and you say, what can I take out of the front? Just an x squared. And then what's left if I take an x squared out? Okay, on the back side, what can I take out of these two? And if this first term is negative, you'll want to take out a negative. So negative 6. And if I divide these by negative 6, I'm left with x and positive 2. All right, do you guys remember what happened after that? Right. The outside stuff goes in one parentheses, and the inside stuff is in the other. And then what do we do after that? Yeah, x squared minus 6, we need that to equal 0. And what would make this equal 0? Negative 2. So this one, if you add 6, you get 6 and square root it. You get, don't forget, plus or minus, square root of 6, and negative 2. No. No.
Did you guys just give assistant? Because this is the only class I've ever said anyone to the hall. Our class?
She's a liar.
She said like
Skylar said like 3 times.
Grant lived in the hallway.
it kind of did.
Dude, it was like every other week I would just go out. Like half the time it was for some stupid thing.
There was a time when like every single time in class, except for like 2 of us into the office. Like, she just started singing into the office, so we were really mad.
I remember in her class, you guys would do that thing where you'd say a word and then get louder and louder, and she just wouldn't do anything.
I remember we'd just be like doing like I don't know classwork things, and all of a sudden she'd be like, "Man, go to the hall." We're like, "What did I do?"
My grant meter's full today. Go. Grant, you were a little bit more, let's say, rambunctious when you were younger.
Yeah, I'm still quiet. I just am like more quiet to not.
Well, yeah. You had a lot of energy. Let's just put it that way.
She doesn't like it. She doesn't like it. She have less of her personality than her hating face and the whole entire hating face.
Oh yeah, this is.
Oh yeah, she never was.
Yeah.
You should have seen her childhood. She was yelling at me for no reason.
I was ready for the sleeping.
Yeah, he was the.
Do you shop for groceries at Homeland?
I've been there before, but now I go to Walmart.
It sucks, but
Walmart
is better for groceries because Homeland is so expensive.
Oh
Like, Homeland gets these like deals every now and then.
Yeah.
Well, I was
It's one of those stores you need like the card for to like save it.
Yeah. Like Sam's.
Okay. Yeah. Both these guys are going to come over here, so we're going to subtract both of these. I'm going to go ahead and put it in order. So 10x cubed, then the minus 6x squared, then the plus 5x, and then the minus 3. So it's another grouping problem. Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. What can come out
2x squared.
of the first two? Yeah. 2 goes into both of these, and x squared goes into both of these. And if we divide by 2x squared, we're left with 5x minus 3. And what comes out of this? This is new. This is a little bit different. What comes out of both of these? Nothing. So what can we take out still? Just to take something out. 1. Just to kind of put something out there. Taking out, dividing by 1 doesn't do anything though, right? So it just kind of stays like that. Alright, then the outside stuff goes here. The other inside stuff goes there. You guys remember how to do this one? It's the Hope Special? Oh, so close.
No!
Why
Whatever.
do you even talk?
Can you?
Positive 3/5. Positive 3/5. Okay, so like this would be positive 3, right? If it's x minus 3, so it's positive 3/5. Okay. This one has to do a little bit of work because of the x squared. Okay, square root of negative a half.
Do we have to show this one before, or can we just?
Nah, I know you guys gotta. Yeah, I'm not worried
Here's
about
the
it.
other thing.
I'm not gonna make you show everything now. Okay, well, it's definitely plus or minus because it's square root of a negative. It's an I. Okay, the problem is we can't leave a square root in the denominator. Square root of 1/2 is like square root of 1 over square root of 2. Cannot leave a square root in the denominator. So how did we fix it? With your calculator, multiply by square root of 2. So this will be square root of 2 over square root of 4, which is normal 2. I think with the I, would they name like with the I right there or right there? I don't know. Actually, let me see what this book does. Sometimes books do different things. Yeah, they put it off like this. This is probably the better way of writing it. Ooh. Never mind.
So you want us to write it like that?
Yeah, I wouldn't count it wrong if it was in the front. But that's probably the way you will see it. Oh, I forgot the other one. The other one was 3/5. That doesn't look very good in there. Well, 13 is kind of a whole other lesson.
You should just let us work.
How about? Yeah, I'll let you work on this.
Thank you, concept. Yeah.
Should.
That was like a world record at 7 minutes after the start.
But it's
Wait,
Wednesday.
what? There were still videos.